Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make time in mobile. First, let's tackle those digital distractions. Start by checking your phone's screen time reports. These often reveal surprising usage patterns. Next, review your app notifications. Turn off non-essential alerts to prevent constant interruptions throughout your day. This simple step can significantly reduce the urge to pick up your device, helping you reclaim valuable moments. Now, let's implement some practical boundaries. Try setting specific times each day when your phone is put away, like during meals or an hour before bed. Consider creating phone-free zones in your home, such as the bedroom or dining table. Even short digital detoxes, perhaps for 30 minutes, can refresh your mind and help you reconnect with your surroundings. Consistency is key here. Next, let's streamline your mobile environment. Go through your apps and delete any you haven't used in a month or more. Less clutter means less distraction. Organize your essential apps into intuitive folders on your home screen for quick access. Consider replacing social media scrolling with apps that offer learning or mindfulness exercises. This shift can transform your phone into a tool for growth, not just a time sink. Finally, cultivate mindful habits for lasting change. Before picking up your phone, ask yourself why you're doing it. Is it for a specific task or just out of habit? Actively seek out and engage in offline hobbies and activities to balance your screen time. Remember, your phone should serve you, not the other way around. And speaking of making things easier, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help simplify your week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.